Bonjour mes amis, bienvenue. Hey guys, welcome back to the Language Tutor French series. As you know, this is part 4 in a 4-video series designed just to build your vocabulary skills. And so we're going to be talking about sports words in this short episode. And before we jump in, I want to ask you, hey, have you come to the Language Tutor French Facebook page yet? Check us out there, also on Instagram. Also, make sure you listen to the Language Tutor French podcast and go to languagetutor.co. and get some free downloadable written practices so you can try your hand at your writing skills in the language. But with that, let's jump right in. All right, so we're talking about sports words. Here goes our first one. The first one is tennis. And tennis in French is le tennis. Le tennis. And golf, this is not a very difficult one. It is le golf. Le golf. Now, let's talk about soccer. We know how popular soccer is in Central South America, Europe. And so in French, they would many times just say le foot, le foot. Now, soccer is also called football. We know that. And so when we're talking about American football, you know, with soccer, you may hear le football also, but usually with American football, we're going to see le football américain. Le football américain. All right, now baseball is up next, and baseball is really easy because it looks just like it does in English, and so does basketball. So baseball is going to be le baseball, and basketball, you're probably guessing it is le basketball, le basketball. Now you might also hear le basket, and that's just a short way of saying the same thing. All right, hockey is also easy. It's le hockey, le hockey. And so a lot of these you're already seeing they're using the English word for it. And it's going to be the same way with this one, which is volleyball. It's le volleyball, le volleyball. Now, you might also just hear some people say le volley, keeping it simple. Okay, up next, we talk about rugby since we're doing sports. Le rugby. Le rugby. And cricket is easy as well as le cricket. Le cricket. All right. And there are some people who like field hockey as well. So we'll just bring that in while we're here. It's le hockey sur gazon. Le hockey sur gazon. All right. Now, here's a good one. Running. A lot of people like running. That is la course. La course. And this one is definitely a workout. Dancing is la danse. La danse. That is definitely a workout, believe me. Up next is boxing, and that is pretty easy. It's la boxe. La boxe. And here's another one that gives you a good workout. Gymnastics is la gymnastique. La gymnastique. Wrestling is la lutte. La lutte. Hiking is la randonnée, la randonnée. Rowing is l'aviron, l'aviron. Cycling is biking, cycling. It can be le cyclisme, le cyclisme. And you might also hear people say le vélo, which means bike. So, but they can use it as an actual sport as well. All right, track and field is l'athlétisme. L'athlétisme. It's a big word. Bodybuilding is la musculation. La musculation. Horseback riding is l'équitation. L'équitation. Martial arts is les arts martiaux. Les arts martiaux. Skating is le patinage. Le patinage. Table tennis is pretty easy to figure this one out if you know tennis. Le tennis de table. Le tennis de table. Water skiing is le ski nautique. Le ski nautique. And let's do a couple more. Diving is la plongée. La plongée. And with that, mes amis, that wraps up this very short sports episode. I hope it's really helped you out with your conversation. And I just want to say I appreciate your support, and check us out on the podcasts and Instagram and Facebook and definitely on the website. So I will see you soon on the next episode. We'll jump into a new tense next time. I'll see you, but in the meantime, I wish for you paix et bénédiction for you and all of your family and friends. I'll see you soon. Au revoir. Friends, thanks for watching The Language Tutor. If you have a question for me, feel free to leave it in the comment section below the video. And please click subscribe and the notification bell so that you'll never miss any of our language lessons.